Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I was making for dinner tonight. I don't know if you ever are like me and you just wish you had a quick, easy recipe you could get done in one pot, in the microwave, the oven, whatever, be done with it, have dinner on the table that everyone's gonna like, you can all eat together and actually enjoy family time rather than just spending all of your time washing dishes, making the food, whatever. This is one of my favorites. It's one of the new recipes. That's the Philly cheesesteak sliders. Say that 10 times fast. Okay, this is raw beef, just chopped up bell pepper and onion. That easy. Mix it in there with your mix and chop. Put it in the microwave for 6 to 9 minutes. And then we're going to pop that in the oven. You're going to see the magic happen. So I'll catch you later so you can see the finished product. Okay, let's check it out. Alright, if you go to get your stuff out of the microwave or the oven and it's just a little too hot, these amazing little microwave grippers are awesome. Okay, remember I just microwaved this for about 9 minutes. And you're going to finish it off in the oven. Ho, 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 ho. See that steam? Okay, let me show you. Raw beef, and then all I did was do a bell pepper and onions in the manual food processor. It chopped it up for me perfect. Maybe took me a minute. Okay, you're going to take your clean mix and chop, and you're just going to go in there, and that's going to break up the meat. No more spending 30 minutes over the meat, towering over it, trying to break it into little tiny pieces. Boom, it's done. If you don't have a mix and chop, it is a must-have in the kitchen. I have people who buy 10 or 20 of these and give them as wedding gifts and stocking stuffers. It's just one of those must-haves, okay? If you have a mix and chop, comment below. If you don't, comment below because you're going to see about 50 other people let you know that you need to get one. Alright, so as soon as you think that's pretty well chopped up, however what consistency you want to have for your sliders, okay, and you're done. You're just making sure that really that there's no pink in it, that you don't need to nuke it for a little bit more. Here's the really cool part about being a one pot, right? Just going to dump it, reuse the pot. And all I'm doing is dumping it into the strainer, so any excess liquid is just going to fall right out of that. Make my job easier, okay? Then I'm just going to take a paper towel, clean it out, because the next step is putting the yummy slider bread in here. You can do Hawaiian rolls for this. I like mine to be a little spicier, you know, not so sweet. So make sure that you're getting a roll that's not like a sweet roll. You can get maybe the jalapeno ones or just the plain sliders. But the thing you want to make sure and grab are the ones that are connected, not just the sliders that are all thrown in a bag all mumble jumble. You're going to make your job way easier if they're all connected, okay? So you just wipe that out. In the meantime, while that's finishing up, I'm just going to take a little bit of butter. I'm going to stick it in the silicone prep bowl, which are microwave oven safe. And they have the little lines on them too, so you can do full liquid measurements. And we're just looking to get that melted. Okay, so it's going to be the ooey gooey yumminess that's going to be inside of there. Okay, so we're going to take that meat and we're going to put it in here. We're going to put the bread in there. Now you're going to notice, here's my trick. You're going to notice that the recipe calls for 8 sliders. For my family, 6 is enough. So I actually get a bag of 12 sliders and I double the meat recipe. I actually do the recipe for a full pound instead of just 8 ounces, okay? And here's why. I can actually get 2 full meals out of this. Pretty amazing, right? So, you're just going to put the bread in there for now. You're going to go back and get your meat mixture. Okay? Now remember I said that I make a double batch, right? So here's what I'm going to do. Okay? I'm going to put this in. Recognize this bad boy? I'm going to actually put it in this bowl because it comes with a lid. So after I finish mixing it, I can actually just put the lid on top of it, put it in the fridge and save it. And then whenever I'm ready, I can actually just microwave this to reheat it and then do all of that. So again, way less dishes, way more easy. You'll thank me, okay? All right, so we've got our bread ready. We have our meat. Now it's time to make it yummy, okay? You're gonna get your favorite seasoning. That I love to put with this is the crushed peppercorn and garlic rub. Ooh, so good. You're actually gonna do 2 teaspoons, give or take. Okay, look at that. Oh, so good. Okay. And then, same measuring spoon. That's why I did the dry first. Love these adjustable measuring spoons. I'm gonna do some more, sure. Same amount, 2 teaspoons. Give or take. My mama taught me not to measure. Just wing it, she says. And again, use that mix and chop. No need to dirty up another utensil, anything like that. This bad boy is going to do the trick. Okay? Now there is one thing, I mean, you could easily just dump it in there, but I do think that you get that kind of perfect ratio if I use my large scoop to put the mixture in there. Another thing is if you have any kids, they're like, my brother got more than me or less than me. This just really defeats that whole fight right there. Plus, they also get to help do the scooping. So that's a win-win. All right, you're gonna get your provolone cheese, and it says put 3 pieces on the bottom. Kind of overlapping just a little bit. See that? Just a little bit of touching. We'll put 2 more on the top, okay? Just a little overlap. And then you're just going to spoon that mixture in. Okay? Now, you be the judge of how full you want your sliders to be. Whether you want to do 1 scoop, 2 scoops per slider. Again, since we cut the recipe, instead of doing 8 sliders and we do 6 sliders, I actually do 2 scoops so they're a little bit fuller. Okay. Got that butter? I'm going to put some garlic in here. Okay, let me tell you a trick about garlic. If you've ever been, getting some garlic for a recipe, it says get fresh garlic, and you get it, and you put it, hopefully not in the fridge, you put it on the counter, and then you notice by the time you go to use it, that it's already sprouted, or it's already gone bad, okay? Get yourself a little terracotta pot, and throw it in there. Under there, it's going to still get its air circulation, and then it's still, it's going to keep it nice and cool, which is going to make it last for like a month. All right. And then you're going to use this garlic press. You don't even have to peel the skin off of it, okay? You just plop it in there and squeeze. That easy. Oh, this is actually what we're going to rub on the very top. It's so good. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Not a Barbie doll brush that comes with it, okay? It's actually a cleaner brush. Pretty fantastic. No moss garlic hands. Okay, got that yummy butter garlic mixture stewing. You've got your servings of meat. You're piling in there. Like I said, since I cut it down to 6 so that I can actually double my recipe, I don't have to buy anything extra. I actually put double the meat. So good. Look, it's already melting that cheese. Okay, you're going to top it with 2 more slices. Mm-hmm. Uno. Dos. Aw, isn't it so cute? Okay. Plop these on top. Got that yummy garlic butter mixture. And you're just going to get your silicone basting brush. Okay? Easy peasy. Just rub that yumminess on the top. Again, great step for kids to do. Super, super easy, and they're going to be way more inclined to try something new. If this is a new recipe for you, be more involved in it, more curious about it, if they actually participate in it. All right, guys, that's it. Lick this out when you're done if you're a garlic fan. That's all done. You're just going to stick it in the oven now, uncovered for 10 to 12 minutes, and that's dinner. Boom. Bye, guys. Yummy.